I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Transferring your balance to a new SIM on Giffgaff is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your Giffgaff account. Visit the Giffgaff website and log in with your credentials. This is where you'll manage your account and initiate the balance transfer. Step 2. Navigate to the transfer balance option. Once logged in, find the transfer balance option in the account menu. This will allow you to start the process of moving your balance to the new SIM. Step 3. Enter your new SIM details. You will need to input the new SIM number and confirm that you want to transfer your balance. Make sure you enter the correct SIM number to avoid any issues. Step 4. Confirm the transfer. After entering the details, review the information and confirm the transfer. You should receive a notification that the transfer is successful. Step 5. Check your balance on the new SIM. After the transfer is complete, insert your new SIM into your phone and check your balance to ensure everything has gone through correctly. Sometimes, it may take a few minutes for the balance to update. If you follow these steps, you should have no problem transferring your balance. If you run into any issues, Giffgaff support is always there to help. Good luck with your new SIM.